Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create WordPress website with free hosting. Now let's start. First, go to your website and type in infinityfree.net and go sign up and make an account. I'll try to put example like website@gmail.com. Just basically sign up. Now once you're inside, you want to make your own domain, and if you have one, just put it here. And once you're done, simply search domain. Just fill up the forms here. And once you're done, click Open Control Panel and click I approve. Now all the way down, look for Softculus App Installer. Now install WordPress here. Inside here, you want to make your own site settings like site name, site description. You want to also make your own admin username also and password. Now once you're done, scroll down and click install. Now you have your own website with free hosting. Just that simple. I hope this video helped you out.